Welcome back, guys. So right now, let's talk about Pinterest site verification. How do we go about that? So all we have to do is to come here and we need a Pinterest verification code. So all I have to do is to click on this Pinterest account. So I think we'll need a Pinterest account, and let's see how to get this verification code. So here we have how to verify your site with Pinterest. So we're going to come right here. There's a tutorial video that you could watch right here. So you need to sign into Pinterest. Of course, we need to sign into Pinterest, and having to sign into Pinterest, add another account, add a free business account. So we're going to see how to go about this. It says next click on claim in the menu in the left hand side. So let's do Pinterest right now. So I'm going to use my Gmail to access Pinterest. So let's do that right away. So I'm going to use my Gmail account to access Pinterest, and here we are. So continue to Pinterest. It looks like you don't have an account. Let's get started. So we're going to sign up right here. So I need a birth date. Let me input that. So I'll input this right now and I'll create an account. So let me click on create account, and it's going to create a Pinterest account for me. And here I have a Pinterest account. So all I have to do, you could check it out. This is Billard Creative. It should be Billard Creative. Yes, so I'm going to submit that, and I'm going to next this. So I'm going to next this, specify another, and I'm going to say day. So it's going to be day, and I'm going to submit this. So we have this, and what's your language, which is English, the UK English, and Nigeria. Yes, and here is the Pinterest. What's your language and where do you live? Nigeria. So I'm going to next this. And what are you interested in? So we're going to look for what we are interested in. Of course, we're interested in photography, smartphone, iPhone. So let's see everything that is related to what we do, and I'm going to add them. So let's say we have these, and let's see what we have again. So we have education. Yes, education is very important. And we have mobile phone and accessories. We have, let's see what we have again. So we have this, we have bike, we have bed. Okay, so we have computer. Of course, computer is important. And we have, which other thing do we have? We have gadgets. Yes, we have gadgets. Gadgets is okay as well. Then we have, let's see if there are other things that relate to what we do. And there we are. We don't have any other thing right now. So all I have to do is to meet your home field. And right here, as you use Pinterest, it adapts, so search and save to personalize your space. So here we are, and we're going to have this okay. So here we are. So what I want to do now is to try to get that verification code as we needed it here. So we have to insert it here. So we need to put it here. So all I have to do is come to Pinterest. So you could do more to your profile. You could do every other thing to your profile, but that's not what we are here to do. So I'm going to come right here, and I'm going to say, let's see how the he said we should come to claim. Next, click on claim. So once you are logged in, click the down arrow in the following, in the top left corner of the screen to display, and then click on settings. So let's see, where do we get settings right now? So we're going to come right here, look at the settings right here. So we have settings, and here we're going to say claim external account. So we're going to click on claim external account from here, and having to click on claim external account, we have Instagram, we have website. So let's claim the website. The website is what we are here for, and here in the website you have add HTML tag or add a TST record. Add this record to your domain name. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy this right now. So you could learn more on how to add TST record here. We've been doing that. So let me check what we have here. So I'm going to come to my H panel to access the domain name portfolio. So you see an article is here that shows how you can add your TST record. So you copy and paste a personalized test record from Pinterest and add it to your website record. So yes, so you could see it from here, and once you find it, so let's see what we have here. So it says settings, claim the account, yes, and paste the text you copied from. If your domain host requires it, add at in the host. You may need to wait up to 24 hours, then return to Pinterest. Yes, so let's do that right now. So this is my domain name, all I have to do is to add a record, add a TS3 record which I've copied. So the art is here and the value will be what I copied. So I'm going to add it right now. So this is what I copied right here, and I'm going to come back to add it right now. I'm going to click on add record, and it's going to add it to my DNS records. So coming back to Pinterest right now, so you could actually continue right away. So let's try to continue. Enter your website URL below and click the button to verify. So let me enter the website URL. So it's going to be www.largecreative.com. So let's copy this. Let me copy this, Control A to copy this. Then I'm coming back to claim this in my Pinterest. So I'm going to paste that and I'm going to verify. So let's see how the verification code. So it says you are not eligible to verify a website. So let's wait for that. And that way we'll be able to connect our website, our domain name, we'll be able to connect it to Pinterest. So let's do that and done. So we can get more clicks and traffic and sales. So let's get started. So we're going to get started right now. And here we have get a free business account, and you could just continue to get a free business account and describe your business. So you could describe your business as a service provider, and yes, we can have this. So we have, okay, we have an agency. It could be an agency. So I have an employee. I'm the owner. Okay, so I'm the owner, and the agency name is Large Creative Studio. Okay, and the website is this, the website is that, and I'm going to next it right now. How many clients do you work with? 1 to 10. What kind of content do you create for your clients? So we have organic content, and what services does the agency provide? So we have other, so we can specify. We have digital solutions, yes. So we have that, and we're going to have that done. So here we are on Pinterest, and we have a business account already. So having to have a business account, let's see what next we have to do. So we'll be able to add our website, and we'll be able to verify the ownership, everything right here. So all we have to do now is to come to Pinterest. Let's see if we have that. We don't have it ticked yet. So let me see if there's a way we can get the verification code. Get your Pinterest verification code. Yes, so we're going to click the save button. It's still that. Okay, now click open in browser window. Please paste this tag into the head section of your website index and open a new browser window. So let's come to Pinterest right now. Let's come right here and let's see what we have. So we are having a business onboarding. Let me just refresh that and let's see what we have. So what would you like to start? We have claim your website, which we've done already. So let me just come right here, and here we have the website claimed. So this is the claimed website. So yes, let's have that. So we're going to come right here to claim, and we need to copy this. So let's copy this and let's come right here to paste it right here. So I'm going to paste this right now, and let's see. So that way we'll be able to add the verification code to our Pinterest, and that's how to verify Pinterest. So we have the create the Pinterest, and yes, there we are. So we could claim our Instagram as well, since we claimed the largecreative.com. So you could just do it once and for all and claim the Instagram as well. So we're going to allow this. So we're going to allow it to access our Instagram profile, and that way I have my Instagram profile logged in on this browser already. So all it has to do is to just activate it from there, and created a new board for your Instagram post. So we have also published posts from the last 365 days. Yes, okay, so let's say the last 90 days. Done. Yes, there we are. And selected board for Instagram posts is going to be socials, and disable auto publishing, no. So let's see how we go about that. So I'm going to have this. So it's going to be social, and here we are. So we'll be able to connect our Instagram as well, and that way we have a Large Creative Studio Pinterest account which has been verified there. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.